Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to disassemble ZimaBlade. And why I'm filming something like this? Because most of people are finding this not intuitive enough. And if you put too much pressure on wrong point, you could possibly damage this beautiful piece of tech. So how to do it? Check this side, not this side, but this side with SATA sockets. And you want to take better look at this corner. If you put some pressure from beneath, you see this joint, it's the most easiest. Now pull it, release these nails, and now you can easily remove this piece of shell. Next part is totally intuitive, so you need one Phillips screwdriver and oh, it's hard. I'm going to remove these two screws. Some more. One. And another one. And now gently. All right, we are there. Now, if you want to remove entire board, you have to unscrew these two also, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to plug in my memory. It's like with any laptop. Gentle push and press down until you hear click. Now I'm going to assemble. Gentle, without any hard move. Now I'm going to get back these two in place. You don't have to tighten it too hard. Just enough to hold it. All right. And now I'm going to get back this piece of shell. Okay, from this side. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. Please like, subscribe, and see ya!